What HVAC improvements help south-facing rooms? South-facing rooms stay cooler and more comfortable with better window shading, added insulation, improved air circulation, and properly balanced heating and cooling. Start by blocking direct sunlight before it enters the room, because sunlight through glass can heat furniture, floors, and walls like a small greenhouse. Exterior shades, awnings, solar screens, or well-fitted shutters usually work better than indoor curtains because they stop much of the heat outside. Use light-colored curtains inside as an extra layer, and close them during the brightest part of the day. Check that the attic, ceiling, and walls above or beside the room have enough insulation, since heat can travel through those surfaces even when the air conditioner is running. Sealing gaps around windows, doors, and electrical outlets also prevents hot outdoor air from leaking in. A ceiling fan can make people feel cooler by moving air across their skin, but it does not actually lower the room temperature, so turn it off when nobody is using the room. Have a heating and cooling technician measure the airflow, because a south-facing room may need a larger or better positioned supply vent rather than a larger air conditioner. One lesser-known fix is balancing the duct system with dampers, which can send more cooled air to the warm room without making the rest of the house too cold. Do not assume a stronger air conditioner will solve the problem, because an oversized unit may cool the air quickly without removing enough humidity. Ask for a proper load calculation instead. Do not close too many vents elsewhere, since that can raise duct pressure and reduce system efficiency. Have the airflow balanced professionally. Do not rely only on dark indoor blinds, because they absorb sunlight and can radiate heat into the room. Choose reflective window coverings or exterior shading whenever possible. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.